Hi there.
Hi.
My name's Lauren.
I'm Jen.
And we're Design High. And today we're going to show you how to set up and code your microbit.
Fun.
Yay! So get out your microbit and your USB cord and get ready to get started. Our first step is to connect our microbit to our computer. So you'll want to take out the USB cord. Notice you've got two sides. The smaller side is what you're going to connect to your microbit. Nothing has to be forced. It slides in super easily. Oop. Like so. If it doesn't go in, flip it over. Make sure it matches like a puzzle. Next step, take this side of your USB and plug it into your computer. And some of them will light up because it comes with a pre-programmed program on there. Some may not light up. You may just see a light in the back. If you have a light in the back, that means everything is good.
We're going to use Microsoft's Make Code website to program our microbits. When you go to Make Code, you're going to start with a new project. There are lots of other pre-programmed tutorials which are really fun to use and give you really great insight into using your microbit and programming unique codes. Today we're going to start with a new project. First, give your project a name. We're going to call ours First Project. Press the Create button, and you'll move into the programming area. The Make Code website gives you a microbit simulator so you can test your programs before downloading it to your microbit. Let's start by looking at the menu items. We're going to use Basic. You can use basic functions to show a number, show your LEDs, show icons. We like to use this to demonstrate different shapes and objects with our microbit. Let's start by using the basic blocks and the input blocks. The input blocks allow you to use the A and B button on your microbit. We're going to delete the OnStart and the Forever blocks, which microbit gives you by default. Let's drag out the On Button A command into your workspace. This allows you to control your A button, your B button, or A and B, which means you push both buttons at the same time for a desired result. Let's say we want to show an icon when we press the physical A button on our microbit. The simulator shows us that when we press the A button, our icon of a heart is on display on the LEDs on the front of the microbit. We're going to download that program onto our microbit. The microbit downloads into either your Downloads folder if you're on a Chromebook, or your bottom bar of Chrome, or your Downloads folder of a MacBook. What we want to look for is our actual microbit folder and drag the hex file. Every microbit file ends with a .hex. We're going to drag that on top of our microbit folder, and it's going to download into it. Once that hex file is completely downloaded into our microbit folder, it's now active on the microbit itself.
All right, our code is downloaded, so now I'm going to press the A button and let's see if I get a heart shape. Here's A. Perfect! We downloaded that code with success. Congratulations.
So, how can you use your microbit in your smart house? For our smart house, we programmed our microbit. Also, when your microbit has program downloading onto it, you'll notice the little light will flash. So as it's downloading the program, check out the little light on the back of the microbit and make sure that it's flashing. It's like a little pulse. So we have our microbit programmed for our smart house so that when we place this in the house and someone presses an A button, it shows a little picture of a house. And when someone presses the B button, it says BYE, B-Y-E.
Now it's time to program our microbit for our smart house. We're going to use the command on button A pressed from our input menu to show LEDs that were custom made to look like a house. When our homeowners press button B, it's going to show a string of letters that spells the word buy with an exclamation point. Show string is how you can display words or letters on your microbit. The default says hello, but in the circle you can click and type any letters you want. So now when we press A, our homeowners will see a house, and when we press B, our homeowners will see the word buy spelled out for them.
We hope that you've loved working on your smart house and creating something really unique and fantastic with your microbit.
We can't wait to see what you've made and see your exciting code.
Have fun, thanks.
Bye.